Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brent. I live on the island of Oahu in the state of Hawaii. I moved here in 2000. In 2007, I took my first trading course. It was on options. It ignited a fiery love in my life, and ever since then, I have been absolutely in love with trading in the stock market. And while I was being absolutely in love with trading in the stock market, I was also heavily pursuing offline business stuff. And so what I noticed myself doing is that I would put $1,000, $2,000 into a trading account. I'd be trading, I would be growing it, and then something would happen in my business life outside of the stock market. An opportunity would come up. I would crash a business, and I would have to come up with money somewhere, but something would happen, and I would pull all the money out of my trading account and go do some other business activities over here, to only come back a little bit later and put another $1,000, $2,000 in, basically starting over with a small account. So if you have a small account, if you have a bigger account but you're just getting started and you want to trade like you have a small account in order to keep that money that you have, then hit the subscribe button, because this channel is going to be all about trading small accounts. The information that you find here is going to be best suited for a person that wants to educate themselves in a way where you can make the decisions for yourself without relying on the advice and opinions of other people. I hope that's you, because that's me, and quite frankly, there's not a lot of us, so I want to get to know some other people that are like me. So the things that you won't find here is you definitely won't find 3 stocks to buy now, but you will find education, risk management, aka the Warren Buffett rule, don't lose money, and then profit, all with a small account. The reason why this channel is going to be a little bit different is because I realize that we all have individual, unique lives. You might have 3 kids. You might be running around changing diapers. Maybe you don't have time to sit in front of a computer monitoring trades. Maybe you're like myself and you live on a weird time zone where the stock market opens up at 4 o'clock in the morning and you feel like you need some beauty sleep until about 6 a.m. or later. So maybe you need to trade a little bit differently. Maybe you don't have a lot of money. Maybe whatever your situation is. But what I have found is that a one-size-fits-all does not work with anything other than breathing air and drinking water. Those things definitely work for human beings, but a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to the stock market does not seem to work for everybody. And I think the value of the stock market is so tremendous, especially in this day and age with the technology. If you have a bank account, if you have internet access, you can be making money. You just have to figure out how to work it into your life. So if that sounds kind of interesting to you, hit subscribe and get ready for some more videos. Until then, aloha.